Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and while love is in the air, so is the sweet scent of consumer spending. For many investors, it's not just about buying flowers for your partner, but buying stock set to bloom with the season. So if you're ready to make your portfolio a little more lovable, here are some stocks to keep your eye on ahead of February the 14th. Number 1, consumer goods and retail. Key stocks, Pandora and Card Factory. Pandora is a leading global jewellery brand known for its customizable charm bracelets, rings and necklaces. It tends to see an uptick in sales during Valentine's Day thanks to its gifting appeal. Card Factory is a UK-based retailer that specialises in cards, gifts and seasonal flowers. The company benefits from high sales around Valentine's Day as it offers a wide range of floral arrangements, cards and gifts. Number 2, flowers. Key stocks, Interflora and Marks & Spencer's Group plc. Interflora is one of the oldest and most reputable flower delivery networks in the UK, with a significant presence in the Valentine's Day market. Their strong brand loyalty and reliable delivery network make them a reliable choice for consumers around Valentine's Day. Marks & Spencer's, or M&S, is a UK retailer known for its wide range of products, including flowers, gifts, chocolates and other Valentine's Day related items. The company is likely to see a significant boost in sales during the lead up to Valentine's Day, particularly in its floral and gifting sections. Number 3, chocolates and sweets. Key stocks, the Hershey Company and Mondelez International. The Hershey Company, one of the world's largest chocolate manufacturers, is synonymous with Valentine's Day. Whether it's their signature Hershey Kisses, chocolates or themed gift sets, Hershey is a dominant force in the seasonal chocolate market. With marketing campaigns tailored to holidays like Valentine's Day, the company typically sees a significant sales boost around this time. Mondelez owns brands like Cadbury's, Toblerone and Trident, all of which have a solid market presence in the chocolate and candy sectors. Mondelez's Valentine's Day themed products and gift sets provide a big revenue stream for the company in the lead up to February the 14th. Number 4, experience gifts and travel. Key stocks, Airbnb and Booking Holdings. Airbnb's platform allows users to book unique and romantic getaways from cozy cabins in the mountains to luxury villas by the beach. With travel trends shifting toward personalized experiences, Airbnb could see a surge in bookings as people look for special ways to spend the holiday with possible weekend getaways or staycations. Booking Holdings, which own brands like Booking.com, Kayak and Priceline, stands to benefit from consumers looking to book trips or hotels ahead of Valentine's Day. Similar to Airbnb, this stock could see significant growth as consumer demand for travel increases in the weeks leading up to February the 14th. Number 5, online retailers and delivery services. Key stocks, Amazon and FedEx. With its vast product catalogue, Amazon will likely see heightened sales in the run-up to Valentine's Day. As one of the world's largest online retailers, Amazon is well positioned to capture a large portion of the holiday spending. FedEx and other delivery services are crucial for ensuring timely Valentine's Day deliveries. As an essential player in the shipping industry, FedEx typically sees a spike in volume around Valentine's Day. Consumers rely on FedEx to ship flowers, gifts and chocolates quickly, creating a predictable seasonal revenue boost. Valentine's Day presents a significant retail opportunity, making it a potentially ideal time for investors to explore related stocks. While no stock is without risk, investing in these companies ahead of Valentine's Day in 2025 could allow investors to capitalise on the love-driven spending surge, providing both short-term gains and potential long-term growth in this consumer-driven market. Make sure you subscribe to XTB to learn more about trading and investing.